Hey, we're back again. I'm Joseph Dixon with JD Art. We are getting ready for a fun, engaging art activity. Noah and I are going to come together, and today's activity is making maracas. All right, here we are again, ready to do a fun, art engaging project. And my friend Noah, this is my son, Noah. Can you say hi? Good.
Now, there are a few items that you will need for this particular project. So you can probably pick these up at your local department store in the arts and craft department, or you can go to your neighborhood craft store. Okay, so those things are, you will need paintbrushes, styrofoam bowls, jumbo craft sticks, glue, scissors, masking tape. You'll also need tissue paper. Mod Podge is always a good product to finish with. Also, let's not forget the hot glue gun.
All right, so today we're making maracas. Yeah. And so, now that you've gathered all of your material, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our time and we're going to get all of the material prepped for the project. Okay? Is that okay? All right. So, what first thing we're going to do, we're going to start this way. No, I'm going to give you a pair of scissors. And I'm going to take some scissors and we're going to prep, starting with the tissue paper. Good. Good job. My turn. Good job. Good. All right. Your turn. Good. Good. One more. Good. All right. How about another color? Maybe purple. Okay, ready? Your turn. Good. My turn. Alright. So now we're going to fill our bowl with glue. Ready? Take the top off. Here you go. Turn it up. Turn it over. Turn it over. Good. have our tissue paper cut. We have our glue poured. We have all the supplies that we need. We have our paint brushes, our rice, our hot glue gun. Now that can be a bit of a challenge with special needs children because it can be hot. So there can either be some hand over hand activity done with it, or you can do it yourself and then let them proceed with the activity afterwards. Is that okay, Noah? Yeah? All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go hot glue gun everything, and then we're gonna come on back and start putting everything together. Okay, Noah? Is that okay? Okay. Okay, using the glue gun, we're gonna first attach the popsicle stick. We're gonna attach one popsicle stick across the top of the styrofoam cup. We're going to attach one to the styrofoam bowl, rather. We're going to take the second one and use it as an extension of the handle. Like so. Alright, so now that we've attached our popsicle sticks to the bowl, I'm going to have my friend, well, I keep saying my friend, but I'm going to have my son Noah. We're going to add a little rice to the inside of the bowl. Want to stick your hand in? Oh boy, put some rice inside the bowl. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. A little more. Okay, that's enough. Now, we're going to take the other side of the bowl and we're going to attach it. Again, using the hot glue gun, we're going to affix the top to the bottom. Okay? Okay, now that we have the top and the bottom connected, we want to make sure that the rice doesn't fall out. Okay, Noah? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to use our masking tape to seal the opening. Okay? Using the masking tape, we're going to go all the way around to seal the opening. Hand over hand may be of value right now. And try to make sure that the strips aren't too long for the children to operate with. Okay? So here we go. We'll wrap it. Press it down. And wrap it over. Okay, now we have the tape all the way around. Nothing falls out. And so now we're going to do the fun part, okay? Now we're going to decorate. Using our paintbrush, we're going to actually apply the glue to the top, to our shaker, our maraca, okay? So no, get some glue, get a little glue. Good, now put it on. Yeah. Good. We're going to go all the way around. More. Take your time and go all the way around. Take your time and go all the way around. This is an excellent opportunity to do some social skills. And what we're doing is just sort of taking turns as we work on decorating the maraca. Pick up. Yeah. Another wonderful thing that we can be doing at this particular time is identifying colors. We're only working with 2 colors right now, purple and yellow. And so it's great. You can also work with maybe 3 or 4 more colors, depending on the developmental level of the child. So Noah and I are just working with a couple of colors, and I'm helping him, or he's helping me, identify those colors. Let's pick up purple. Good job. Good job. Where's yellow? Pick up yellow. Pick up yellow. Pick up yellow. Pick up yellow. Your turn. So actually from start to finish, this project should take about maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes at the most, depending on the developmental level. But if you work hard, keep at it, you'll get through it. Right, Noah? Right? Yeah. All right, come on. Just a little more to go. A little more to go. Let's get that last piece on. That's it. It's all covered. And I think it's all done. Great job, Noah. Great job. Shake it. Yeah. Now, the thing about it, once it's finished and you let it dry, then you can apply Mod Podge or something else to seal it, to protect it, and give it a little more strength. Shake it again. I like it. I like it. Hey, you play yours and I'll play mine. Ready? All right. Great job, Noah.